Good morning students. This is chemistry period and today we have to discuss about mole concept. So first of all I will tell you what is mole. So see here mole, what is mole exactly? Okay. So you know in mathematics dozen means mathematics में dozen क्या होता है? Dozen means 12. Okay. Pair means 2. And if we have to count anything which is in a kilogram, or we have to count in the distance which is in a distance, किस में काउंट करते हैं हम? किलोमीटर. कैपेसिटी which is in a liter. Okay. Now in chemistry mole means what? Mole means is a measure. Mole is a measure of the amount of particles in matter. Okay. So first of all, what is this particle? Matter is made up of the particles. So these are particles are maybe atom, molecules, or maybe ions also. Okay, these particles are maybe atoms, maybe molecules, maybe ions. So what is a mole? Mole is a measure of the amount of particles in matter. So particles which are this, atom भी हो सकता है, ions और molecule. So mole is a simple concept. We have to measure the how many particles, that is how many number, we have to measure the number of atoms, number of ions, number of molecules which is present in matter which is a element हो सकता है, compound हो सकता है. Okay. Now the how much amount of atoms, how much amount of ions, how much amount of molecules which are present in the elements or compound, for this the mole is used. For this only the mole is used. ओके जैसे ही हम मैथ्स में पढ़ते हैं डजन के लिए हम 12 यूज़ करते हैं, पेयर मीन्स 2 होता है. ओके. डिस्टेंस निकालने के किलोमीटर यूज़ करते हैं, कैपेसिटी विच इज़ इन अ लीटर. सो इन केमिस्ट्री द नंबर ऑफ atoms or molecule or ions which is present in elements or compound we have to find with the help of mole. Okay. And the value for 1 mole is exactly equal to the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, into 10 to the power 23. And this number is known as, this number को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Is known as a, see here this number 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. Okay. And this number is known as a Avogadro constant or Avogadro number, and the representation for this number is Na. Okay. And which is in the honor of the, and the named for this Avogadro constant in the honor of the Italian scientist whose name is Amedeo Avogadro. ये इटालियन साइंटिस्ट है एमेडियो एवोगैड्रो. डिपेंड ऑन दिस नेम द एवोगैड्रो कांस्टेंट इज एक्चुअली नेम्ड एज. ओके. नाउ द नेसेसिटी ऑफ द मोल कंसेप्ट. मोल कंसेप्ट की हमें नेसेसिटी क्यों है? सो सी हियर the atoms and molecules of any elements, atoms or molecules of any elements are very small in size. Okay. It is not possible to count the atoms individually. Okay. Now so we collectively represented as a 1 mole. हम उन्हें कलेक्टिवली कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? 1 मोल. एंड वी नो द वैल्यू फॉर 1 मोल इज इक्वल टू 6.022 इंटू 10 to the power 23 पार्टिकल्स. उस एलिमेंट में या उस कंपाउंड में इतने पार्टिकल्स हैं, मे बी एटम्स भी हो सकते हैं, मॉलिक्यूल्स भी हो सकते हैं और आयंस भी हो सकते हैं. कलेक्टिवली वी कॉल्ड एज अ वन मोल. कलेक्टिवली वी कॉल्ड एज अ वन मोल. So see here, this is a representation. Okay, now see, this is a representation. 1 mole of carbon atom. As we know that the carbon atom having the atomic mass unit is a 12U. Okay, so here the 12 we also converting this unit, that is U, into gram. यह मैं बाद में आपको बताऊंगी. हियर वी जस्ट टेक अ लुक, हैव अ लुक. ओके, द एटॉमिक मास यूनिट फॉर 1 कार्बन एटम, इट इज़ अ 12U, and which is converted into gram, that is a 12 gram of 1 carbon atom, and the value for this is a same 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 एटम्स ऑफ कार्बन. उसमें कितने एटम्स है? एक का वेट इतना है, मीन्स उसमें 1 मोल की वैल्यू क्या है? सेम 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of carbon. Same for hydrogen. We know the atomic mass unit for hydrogen is 1, which is a 1U, and here is a converting into gram. Okay, now for 1 gram of the hydrogen atom, same here also the value for 1 mole, एक मोल की वैल्यू कितनी है? 6.022 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. Okay, now 1 mole of any particles एलिमेंट में, कंपाउंड में नंबर ऑफ एटम्स होते हैं, नंबर ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं, नंबर ऑफ आयंस होते हैं. सो 1 मोल ऑफ एनी पार्टिकल, रिलेटिव मास ऑफ दोज पार्टिकल इन ग्राम. इधर हम लेंगे जितना भी उनका पार्टिकल का मास होगा, रिलेटिव मास, मोलर मॉलिकुलर मास होगा, विच इज़ इन अ यू और जी, दैट इज़ ग्राम में भी हो सकता है और यू में भी हो सकता है. हाँ, विच एवर वी चूज. नाउ द वैल्यू फॉर हियर सेम, the value for 1 mole is same for everything, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, number of that particle same, the value for this and here 1 mole is same. Okay, now see here, molar mass of the atoms is also known as a gram atomic mass. As I have already told you, the molar mass, which is a unit, is U. Okay, and which is also known as a gram. हम उसे ग्राम का यूनिट भी दे सकते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी, द हाइड्रोजन, द एटॉमिक मास फॉर हाइड्रोजन यूनिट इज अ 1U. ओके, नाउ सो the gram atomic mass of the hydrogen is a 1G, which is converted into 1G. Now same for 1U, hydrogen has only 1 atom of hydrogen. Okay, now the 1 gram of hydrogen has a 1 mole atom. Okay, both are same whether you use U or G, that is gram, but in case of gram we use a 1 mole atom. Okay, and that is nothing but the 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. कितने atoms है उसमें? इतने, means this is for 1 mole atoms of hydrogen. Okay, now see here, the molecular mass of water. हमें molecular mass पता है water का 18U है, because the atomic mass for hydrogen is 1, there are 2 hydrogen atoms, so here is a 2, and atomic mass for oxygen is a 16, that is a addition of 16 plus 2 is a 18. From here we understand that 18U water, that is a water molecule, has only one molecule of water. Okay, now here we converting this U into gram, that is, now we get 18 gram of water has 1 mole of the molecule of water. Same, we converted this 1 mole 6.0, value for 1 mole is water molecule की 1 mole की value क्या होगी? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water. Okay, clear it is? Now again I have explaining this value. Okay, again I have explaining for with the help of some example. The mass of 1 एटम ऑफ द सोडियम. 1 एटम ऑफ सोडियम का मास लेंगे हम, that is a 23 U. Okay, and same converting this U into gram. So हम write down here mass of 1 mole of sodium atom which is converted into 23 gram, that is nothing but the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 sodium atom. This is a first example. Now second, this is first, now second example. Okay, the mass of 1 water molecule, एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल का मास क्या है, 18U. ओके, नाउ द मास ऑफ 1 mole of water molecule, that is H2O, which is exactly 18 gram, converting only this unit U into G. Now for this, that is the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 water molecule. Okay, water molecule, इसका 18 का means this is for 1 mole of water molecule, the mass is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 grams. Okay, 23, and which is known as, this number is known as a Avogadro constant or Avogadro number, and the sign which is represented by the Na. Okay, Na से representation होता है इसका. So today we have stopped here. In next class we will discussing about this sums. The problems are given here. Okay, in next class we will discussing this sums. If you have any problem, then ask me.